I'm just using Neil's tuning guide. One thing that wasn't covered was just, and even in Chris Rosser's video where they tell you that you're gonna look for an oscillation or motor noise. I want to see if I can capture that on camera so we can all learn together. So I've set everything to 1 on my tune. So master multiplier set to 1, everything else set to 1, and we'll see. And I'm doing this outside, so apologies for the noise. So I'm just gonna set this on angle mode, and I'm just gonna fly line of sight, and we'll see if we can capture a baseline of what normal motor noise sounds like, and then we'll move up from there. Excuse me as I fiddle around and remember what is my actual angle switch.
Telemetry connected. Low rate. Low rate.
Nope.
Aggro mode.
Nope.
Angle mode.
There we go. All right. So again, this is on 1 for everything. And this is after I finished tuning my RPM filters, right? So we're working off a quote-unquote clean slate here. So this is what 1 sounds like. Gonna move back and forth. Pretty damn smooth. I guess at this 1, it would be less reactive and maybe feel a little sluggish, but since I'm not in the goggles, like, can't really notice. So let's see what happens after we bump this up. So I'm gonna go up in pretty large increments here because I want to see if there's a noticeable difference. So I think I'm just gonna jump straight up to 2 and put my motors at risk. So let's try that. We'll land. I'll feel the motors to see, you know, how hot they are. To be honest, there's like no temperature change at all. So yeah, let's bump this sucker up and see. All right, so I'm back. I've set this thing so from 1 master multiplier all the way to 2 times here. We'll see for science if it sounds any different than before. And you know, kind of get a, and again, apologies for the noise, I'll fly in between the trains here. But we'll see if we can figure out what everyone's asking us to look out for. So here we go. I'm gonna back up in case it flies away here. Oh God, it wants to fly away already. Okay, no, you can definitely hear there's this like, you can hear that, right? It's almost like the motor itself is vibrating. It is a lot more responsive, but I see what they mean now. Okay, we're gonna go to, it's kind of scaring me a bit, so we're gonna go to 1.6 and see what that looks like. Motors are hot. They are running really hot, so hopefully I didn't damage anything, but you know, that was for science. And now you know what it sounds like or what you should be avoiding right away if you hear it. Okay, so we're back. We're down to 1.6, and again, angle mode. Let's see how this flies. Yeah, you can hear the motors, that kind of, I guess, yeah, oscillation, that trill that we heard, kind of gone. And it actually feels less sensitive than when I had everything at 2, so that's good. Again, I'll wait for trains to disappear so you can actually hear it. All right. Let's feel the motors. Plug and feel the motors. And yeah, motors are cool to the touch. So, guess that's what they're talking about.